Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator from Stampin' Up! And today is There's a Card Thursday. I want to show you, this is one of the celebration sets, so I want to show you what you can do with this. What we're going to need, this is a really quick and easy card, we're going to need the Amazing You Celebration set, ink. We are going to use crushed curry. We're going to use Bermuda Bay, basic black archival, and we're going to use the sweet sugar plum refill. Okay, and then what we're going to need is we're going to need just one of the basic Whisper White note cards and envelopes. I'm going to be using an aqua painter, and we're going to need some of the basic jewels, rhinestone jewels, okay? So, first thing I want to do is I want to take the sunshine rays, let's bring this down. Okay, we're going to take the rays, and we're just going to put that at the top and the bottom, and we're going to use the crushed curry to do that, okay? The top and the bottom, right in the center area. Okay? Now what I'd like to do, I've tried this, I put the sayings on first, but they didn't work too well, so what I am going to do is I am going to stamp the flower with the basic black archival, and I'm going to stamp that off. I'm not going to put that all on there, just a little bit so we can see it, and then I'm going to stamp with the Bermuda Bay our sayings. Amazing You. Amazing and you. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up my sugar plum, and I am just going to take a drop or two, probably one drop of that sweet sugar plum refill. Then I'm going to take the aqua painter and put a couple of drops of water in there and mix that up. Okay, and then I am just going to paint that. You don't want to get a lot of water on this because this isn't watercolor paper. It's like Whisper White, so it will pile, it'll get warped, and it'll start taking off the paper itself if it gets too wet. And you just want it to dry, and then you want to highlight it again in some of the areas where you want it a deeper color. Okay, just like that. And you may want to just take some of that right like that. Okay, and then make sure you clean off your. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take, and remember, you hold your warm finger underneath those, and you're just going to put one in each of those sunbursts, just like that. And there you go, a quick and really easy card there, using the Amazing You stamp set. Thanks for visiting, and happy stamping. Bye-bye.